Thank you very much for this wonderful opportunity. We love you very much in Kyrgyzstan. Please welcome. My question is, have you ever imagined you would have someone in Kyrgyzstan crying to your lyrics 3 a.m. in the morning?
No, I mean, I come from a really small farming village in the UK where, you know, my dreams and aspirations were to play in London. Mm-hmm. I'd never really expected to play outside of the UK, let alone in countries that don't have English as their first language. So I think that's why I like touring so much. You get to kind of visit places that you never thought that you could go to. I didn't do the backpacking kit thing as a teenager before college or after college. I never really traveled. So being able to travel with music and see different cultures and spaces is great, and I do need to come.
Please do. Formula 1 is the world where risk and glory are separated but just in milliseconds.
Yeah.
So when you were writing this song for the film, were you drawing something from your personal moments when slowing down was more dangerous than accelerating?
Do you know, not at all, actually. I don't think any of this... So I think the only thing that's personal in this song to me is like the experience that I had musically building up to it and learning how to create music, I guess, and write songs. But the song is very much Sonny's story and the kind of the arc of the Formula 1 movie story, F1. So yeah, I feel like there's not much of my like personal feelings in it because it's very much a song for a movie.
Yeah. You went from sleeping on friends' couches to stadiums, but yet your songs still sound very intimate. What in yourself you protect the most to keep your songs not stadium polished but real?
I don't know, because I feel like I have made stadium polished songs that just haven't come out. I think that I write a lot of songs, and the ones that get released are the ones that feel the most real. But I write a lot of songs. A lot of the songs I write are shit. Like it's a trial and error process always. But I think the ones I choose to release are the ones that really I believe in and move me the most.
Is writing for the film is different from like writing not for the film? And what comes first? Image, word, sound?
Depends, really. I think it's the music for this came first, and the melodies, and then you dig into the lyrics. But yeah, probably music first. Actually, when I did the IC5 of The Hobbit as well, it was the music that came first for that. So yeah, I think music first, and then lyrics after. I think lyrics, when you're doing a song for a movie, they are very key. And I think when I'm writing, from my own experience, lyrics probably come first because you're thinking about that. But I think when you're watching a movie, you're taking out small details of the movie and writing down notes and then putting that into a song. So I think music first.
Thank you very much.
Settle down and